Hey art friends, today we're going to draw a monster truck. I hope you're really excited to follow along with me. This lesson turned out really cool and super fun. Now I'm using my markers to draw in color with, but like always you can use whatever you have. You can use colored pencils or even crayons. And also I want to remind you, don't worry about making your drawing look exactly like mine. I'm sure your drawings will look different, but they'll turn out awesome. The most important thing is to have fun and practice. All right, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start by drawing the ground for our monster truck, and I'm gonna draw off-road. So I'm gonna draw a bumpy line going across. And yours can be different. Don't worry about trying to make it look exactly like mine. But there we go. There's our off-road ground. Then we can draw the wheels and the tires. Let's draw them really big too. So I'm going to draw a big circle over here on the left. And then a matching circle way over here on the right. We want to make sure that we touch the ground. You can even go kind of inside of the ground so that it looks like it's really digging. Okay, now let's draw the details for the wheels. We're going to draw a smaller circle inside. We don't want to draw this too big so that the tires look massive. And then we're going to draw the same size over here. And then let's draw a smaller circle in the center. And remember, if I ever go too fast, you can always pause the video for more time. Okay, next let's add the bolts. I'm going to draw 5 going around the outside. Okay, let's draw 5 on this side to match. There we go. And then we also need to add the tread. So it really looks like an off-road monster truck. So I'm going to draw little lines and I'm going to go back over them so that they're thicker. And I'm going to try to match the same space. So see how much space there, and then we'll try to match that same there. And then go all the way around with that same distance. That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video so you can have enough time to add this little extra detail or the tread around the tires. Okay, next let's draw our truck. Let's start here. We're going to draw the curves going over for the wheel wells. We're going to draw a curve going up, over, and down. And then we're going to do that same thing on the back. Okay, and then let's draw right here. We're going to connect, and then we're also going to draw a short line coming past and also a short line going forward. There's the bottom of our truck. Now let's add more details. We're going to draw right here. Let's draw a sidebar or a step bar that we can. This thing's really tall, so I don't think we'd need a ladder to get to it, but we're going to draw a long rectangle shape for the sidebar. And then we can also draw the bumper. Let's come over here. I'm going to extend this out a little past and come up and then back into the wheel well. So we got this bigger, kind of shorter rectangle for the front. Oh, let's also draw a smaller rectangle for the back bumper. It kind of matches the same height. So we're going up the same height on the front and the back. Then we can draw the shape of our truck. Let's come up here, or the front. Let's draw it coming up and also curving a little back. Then we'll draw the hood. And then right here at the end of the wheel well, we're going to go up for the windshield. Then we'll come back further for the roof. And then about here, so right about here on the bottom of our truck, is where we're going to curve back down for the end of the cab. And we want the end of the cab to come down right in line with the hood. And then we're going to draw the bed coming further back. And right above the back bumper will come in and connect for the final shape. Now there's the main shape of our monster truck. Let's add more details to really finish it. Let's add the side mirror. We're going to draw a little curve here, up, and then connect back in. Then we can draw a diagonal line coming up that kind of matches the windshield out of the mirror. Then we'll come across for the top of the window. Then we'll come down, and then right in line with the hood and also the bed, we'll go into the mirror. Then let's add a small window back here for the rest of the cab. Draw a rectangle shape. Okay, now right here, let's draw the front windshield. We'll draw a short line down, and it's a really skinny rectangle shape for the front. Next, let's draw the front of our truck. We'll draw a line here, down, and then I'm gonna add a line coming forward. This is for the headlight. Then we can draw a line here for the front grille. And then let's draw another rectangle back here for the tail light. Oh, let's also draw the doors. Right here, I'm gonna draw a line coming down, and then we can curve for the wheel well, and then into the bottom. Then we can come back here and we can draw a line coming down for the back of the door. And let's also draw, let's connect right here. And then we can come back here and then draw that back door. It's really short. Okay, next let's draw a roll bar in the back of the bed. So we'll draw two lines coming down into the bed. And then we can draw a curve for the top. And then we're gonna draw a short line back and then down into the bed. Now let's do that same line right next to it for the rest of the bar. Well, let's also add lights on top. You could add it on top of the roll bar, or let's draw them up here on the front. I'm gonna draw a short square rectangle shape and then a backward C and then a line down. It looks like the letter D. And we could also add a little rectangle on the front. Now let's add the suspension. I'm gonna draw two lines straight down, connecting the wheel well down to the tire. Then we can add lines going across for the coil or the spring. Then let's add a diagonal line here coming into the wheel and also on the front. Then let's also add a diagonal line here coming up and a diagonal line from the back coming up. Now we finished drawing our monster truck, except we still need to color it. Now this part we can have a lot of fun. You can change it any way you want. You can add stickers and designs and different colors. You could also add things inside the monster truck, maybe a driver. You could also draw the full background. And this part we'll fast forward because I really want to challenge you to change your drawings. But at the end, if you want, you can pause the video and match my same coloring too. All right, let's color our trucks. It looks so much better all colored in. I really hope you'll take time to color your drawings. I had to add flames to the side of my truck, and I used the Art4Kids Hub colors, or the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. But like I mentioned, you can color yours any way you want and even finish your drawing by adding a background. You could add the stadium with a bunch of fans cheering for your truck. Also, another thing, to make your drawing look more 3D, after I colored mine with markers, I used my white colored pencil to add highlights to the tires. This makes it look more round. I added a highlight on the top of the tire, and then also a small highlight right here. It kind of makes it look like a donut shape. Then I also used a darker marker to add shading on the rims, and also a highlight up here on the top of the truck. I really hope you had fun drawing a monster truck with me, and always remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than mine. I'm sure they turned out awesome. The most important thing is to have fun and practice, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.